Our research addresses the challenges of understanding how tropical cyclones interact with the climate system using a high-resolution Earth system model. Our research impacts atmospheric science as a whole by really pushing the limits of how we simulate climate change. And we're looking at tropical cyclones in the sense of how do they interact with their environment? How do they respond to climate change? How do they influence climate change through distribution of heat and energy within the ocean? And what are the implications of these processes for longer-term climate variability and global warming?
Another theme is what is the fundamental role of tropical cyclones in the climate system, meaning how does this weather events could affect the mean climate state. And this, we think, is the most exciting part because it shows that this model self-generated storms can affect the climate mean state, which has important implications for our projections of future climate.
Blue Waters is very well suited to this research in the sense that it provides massive amounts of computing hours, more so than we can get from other HPC systems by orders of magnitude.
The Blue Waters support team is really helpful. They're really accessible. They can help me with, from data transferring and archiving all the way to if I have some problems compiling the model, they can also help with that.
We've been working a lot with the data analytics and visualization group, producing very high quality animations of what are the effects of tropical cyclones on the ocean. And this is a real challenge because we're dealing with massive amounts of data. Right? We're looking at weather events within a climate model. It's a major challenge, but it's been very fruitful, and we've come up with some very fine visualization techniques and some visualization products of the simulations. Blue Waters has provided a lot of opportunities for my students, including experience and exposure to parallel programming, to high-performance computing systems, to data analysis, data visualization, networking with NCSA researchers and Blue Waters support, and ultimately it leads to great jobs.
It opens a whole other door of new series of research topics. My PhD research is about the connecting climate with weather, and this is a very hot topic right now, especially how extreme weather events would change our changing climate. So it really gives me inspirations of other research topics that I'm interested in.
Now, the impacts on society, I think, are substantial. This work really paves the way for new modeling endeavors in coupled climate modeling. Because of Blue Waters, we have been able to push the limits of Earth system modeling in terms of analyzing short-term extreme weather within a longer-term framework of climate change and anthropogenic global warming.